people who come to us to build software, of course, are not experts in how the solutions should be structured. They might think about themselves like that, but again, using the healthcare analogy, it would be weird for you to come to some practitioner with your own algorithm of how you should be treated, right? How your case should be handled. Obviously, you rely on the expertise of this person. Unfortunately, in software, this is sometimes the case, and this is okay because sometimes clients indeed have this expertise, but that's a rare case. This means that they are living in problem space. We are living in solution space, and it's our job to convert one map, basically one to another. Which means that it doesn't make sense for engineer to expect that the person who would be coming to them to build software to formulate what exactly needs to be built. They do not know. Even if they think they know, it might be wrong. Might be right, but likely it would be wrong. Which means that it's our responsibility as engineers to actually construct the solution, which means designing the functional behavior of the system. This is some controversial thing because usually it's a business analyst who produces the requirements, but we came to the conclusion that the most competent person to produce functional requirements is actually the person who would be building those requirements, because functional requirements is the actual design of the system. Once you have the description of the behavior of the system, the next step is just coding exercise. You basically convert one description in one language, in a natural language, into description into more formal language. You do not invent something new here. When you produce the functional description, this is the point in time you actually create the system. It happens there. That's why it's important for engineer to understand how to do that and actually do that. Like take in the problem and design the solution and describe this solution using functional terms, and of course think about non-functional compliance for the system. That's usually we know about as engineers: performance, usability, security of the system, things like that. So the best practice here, I would say, is for you to try and sit down and write functional requirements for the things you are going to produce. It's beneficial for you. It would be beneficial even for the quality of the constructed solution, because writing things down before doing the code will make you think about how the thing that I'm going to be building will behave actually, and capture that.